One of my very favorite things to do is spread my love of horses with others and houses. Today, we're going to do both. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with RE/MAX the Group and the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. And today I have 3 little helpers that are going to show us around the house. This is truly an amazing home. It's a multi-generational family home. The main portion of the house is 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the other portion, that's the multi-generational portion, is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, for a total of 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. And while you can't have horses at this house, in the backyard or inside, we have got a fix for that. Right as you walk in the front door, you will see the openness of this amazing floor plan. Just look at these newly refinished hardwood floors that are in the family room, dining room, kitchen, hallway, and the office that could also be a bedroom. Inviting kitchen that is next to the living area, so while you're cooking, you don't miss a thing. Huge area for a dining room for those hard to fit dining room tables. The slider goes to a maintenance-free deck and amazing views of the mountain, the neighborhood, and beyond. Just look at the size of this master bedroom and bathroom. The slider actually goes out the master to the same deck that the dining room does. The master bath is like going to the spa. Tile throughout, jet tub, tiled double shower, walk-in closet, double sinks, so nice. Fun fact, this dog door goes through a tunnel to the outside of the house for a separate dog run area. Downstairs, there's an additional 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that go with the main portion of the house. Now just for something a little more unexpected, the multi-generational part of this home. The same open floor plan from the main level is also downstairs in this kitchen with lots of cabinets, counter space, an eating island that's connected to the living and dining rooms. This walkout basement features sliders in the dining room and the master bedroom that go out to the patio. We can't forget about the landscaping of this home. Perfect grass for stick horses to ride through with a sprinkler system, vinyl fencing, large shed, basketball court, fire pit, garden area, and mature trees. Thank you for taking this tour through the house on stick horses with us. We want you and your stick horses to love where they live. See you soon. Bye. Slow, real slow. Oh, good job, you guys. Okay, should we do the rest?